Hey kiddos. All right, here is how you add pictures and create text boxes for your slides for social studies. So here I am in my Eastern Woodlands social studies slides. Here on the third page, I have all of my resources. I have my climate, my geography, my technology. I am now ready to go here and create text boxes and also insert images. So let's go ahead and click this box here. It says text box and it has the letter T. So look for the letter T box, click it and drag it open and you will see a blue box appear. I'm going to put the word climate into this box. Climate is one of my 4 categories. I can be done, but I can also highlight this word. I can use this A with the line, which gives me all the colors of the rainbow. And I can put the color onto my letters and change them from black. I can bold them. I can even make them italic, which means they kind of lean to the side. I can also change the type of font that I'm using by clicking on the name and clicking on the type of font. I can even make it big. I can even grab it and turn it on its side. All right, so I have my text box ready. I am talking about the climate. I'm going to go to slide number 3, and I'm going to look, and it says that the climate in the Eastern Woodlands means hot summers and cold winters. So to find pictures for your slides, you're going to go here to the Insert Image box. You're going to open it up, and you're going to search the web. So let's look for hot summer. Now, I'm not going to be putting in pictures of a pool and people swimming in a pool because hot summers and pools are only a modern day invention. But here instead are some great pictures. Here's a nice summery hot day of crops. And that makes a lot of sense because the Eastern Woodland Native Americans did grow crops and it's nice and hot during the summer. Let's look at some of our other pictures. We have other pictures with the land and the sky showing that it's hot. We have a thermometer showing that it's hot. I don't know that this would be a picture that would fit our topic, so I'm not going to choose this one. All right, let's go ahead and look for a cold winter picture. Ooh, cold winters mean snow. So I'm going to just take the top one. I'm going to grab it by the corner and resize it down so that it's nice and small to fit into our box. I can even overlap them. There we go. Climate is now done. I decided that I want the word climate to kind of fit closer to the pictures. I think that looks great. Let's do one more together. Go ahead and click text box and draw a text box into the top corner. And let's look at geography. Now, as we've been learning, geography means the land forms for this cultural region. So I'm going to click on geography. I'm going to highlight it. Let's go ahead and use a nice brown color. I'm going to make it bold and I'm going to make it nice and big. And I'm going to drag it here to the center of this box. I think that's a good place. Let's go to slide number 3 and see what the geography is like. Geography, we have forest, mountains, farmlands, rivers and lakes in the Atlantic Ocean. Now, I do notice that on this slide, it says that we should have no more than 3 pictures. So I'm going to make sure that I am only looking for up to 3 pictures. So let's put in mountains. And I've got some beautiful pictures of mountains. Now, ooh, these are great because they also show some snow. This one's even better. That one's great. Ooh, those are beautiful. I like this one. The reason I like this one is that it also shows the forest here in the edge, which kind of covers 2 parts of the geography. So we've got mountains and forests all in one. Another landform that was known, or a geography that was known to our Native Americans in the Eastern Woodlands regions, were rivers and lakes. Now this gives us a mixture of pictures. And I'm thinking this one looks good too. I don't think this one's going to make much sense for what we're working for, but I do like this one because it has some mountains in the background, little bit of forest, and it shows those lakes and bodies of water. All right, students, that is how you do your slides for social studies. One last time, to make a text box, click the text box. To search for a picture, open search images and look for search the web. And it will open over here so that you can look for pictures. If you would like to change your text, you can change it by making the font different, changing the size, or changing the color. All right, kiddos, I hope that this is helpful in making your new slides for social studies. Bye.